welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to dig into my first Stitch Fix of January. All right, if you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Stitch Fix is the styling service that started them all, and they have really changed, I think, over the course of the last year, we'll call it, where now they have freestyle, so you can buy items directly from their site. They have preview, where you can pick items from a pre-selected list, so you can make sure that you like things that you're going to get. In addition, now you can pick more than 5 items off that preview list and get those as well. So that's exciting. Let's dig into my particular fix this time. Inside my box, this is what you'll see. Bundles, a bag to return, anything that you don't love and don't want to keep. Plus, you'll get your one pager now, which tells you what to do when you get your box. It also has your pricing sheet, a little QR code that you can scan to get ideas of how to wear your items. And I have a new stylist this time. I don't know how that happened, but I do. Her name is Caitlin. Janina is my normal stylist. I hate when they switch it up, man. I hate it. But this time around, she didn't really have to do too much because I picked directly from the preview and I picked 6 items. So we have 6 instead of 5 to get into. $20 styling fee does go against anything you decide to keep. You keep all, which is 5. So if you keep 5 or more, you get 25% off. So here is my first bundle. I'm enjoying that they let you try more items and decide what you want to keep. So I love that. So first up is a top from LNA. This is called the Sky Cotton Tee. I thought this one was fun with like the little slashes in the front. Just like a basic slub tee. Is that not adorable? I like that. A little t-shirt with an edge. Okay. Then we have something from Pink Clover. This is the Amalfi sweater tank. That for some reason is inside out. How did it get inside out? I'm confused. All right, it's a little V-neck. There we go. Isn't that cute? I like that. That little ribbing. It's longer. All right, then we have cut from the cloth. I had seen these a bunch of times and decided, you know what, I'm going to give these a try. This is the high-rise Miller in this camo. Is that not fun? I like that. So this has the utility pockets, flat pockets in the back, side pockets in the front. Yeah, all right. Then we have Daze Denim. Let's see, these are the straight up high rise, straight up high rise straight in this black wash. Okay. One more bundle. What do you think, Wyatt? Okay. This is cute. This is a jacket by Anthem, the Pennington Reversible Faux Fur Jacket. How cute is this? So it's like suede on one side and fur on the other. Is that not adorable? I like that. Super cute. Check out the inside. That's adorable. All right, and the last item is jeans, and these are by Pistola, and they are the Ryder high-rise cuff straight. Check out this very dark wash too. Very dark. We have that cuff. Here's the back. All right, this should be fun. Let's see what works. First outfit. So I have on the cuff denim, which I'm really enjoying the cuffs. I don't know why. I just think they add some more visual interest. These don't fit me like fabulously. They're a little tighter through the hip area. Then I have extra room in the waist, but I think that I could probably work with it. The rest of it I'm really enjoying. So I love the cuff. I love the fit from the hip down. They hit me right at my ankle bone, so these would move nicely into the warmer months. What do you think of this uber dark wash with the contrast stitching? And they are high, so my belly button is about where the snap is, or the button is. And then this tank, which is really nice. It is in a rib sweater material. It's very close to the body, tucks nicely in, which allows me to show you that I have room in the back of these pants. So I'm really enjoying this little tank as well. And then we can finish the outfit off by throwing on this jacket. We'll do the suede side out first. Very soft. It's very soft. So it's all fur on the inside, and then it's the suede on the outside. It does not have pockets, it doesn't look like. The arms are a little long on me, but I think we could cuff them, so that'll be all right. To see this little stitching here at the sleeve. Does button up the front. So I have room. I think this would look cute with the cuffed sleeve. Then you can see that fur. Let me know what you think. Cute, right? Adorable. All right, let's talk about these. For the Pistola Ryder high-rise cuff straight jean, I'm wearing a size 2, 178. The Staccato Amalfi sweater tank, I'm wearing an extra small, $49. And the Flag and Anthem Pennington Reversible Faux fur jacket, I'm wearing an extra small, and it is $129.50. All right, so now I've switched out my jeans. Now I have on the Daze, put on the cute LNA tee, so cute, and I swapped out reversed the jacket. So now we have on the first side on the outside. What do you guys think of this? So all the fur, I still have to cuff it because it's long, so now you're seeing that suede at the cuff. No pockets on this side either. It's about mid-tushy. Very comfy. Very cozy. What do you think? Is this one a keeper? I have to say it's a lighter weight. Like, you wear this as an indoor jacket if you wanted. All right, so now let's talk about these other pieces. So the Daze denim are really nice. Like, they have so much stretch. They're so comfy. I don't have that waist gap that I had in the Pistola with these, hitting me right at my ankle bone. They feel really nice on. As long as they don't stretch out, they would be perfect. The color is nice in the wash. Super nice. And this t-shirt. All right, so the neckline is not too bad. I do have like 1 finger width here. I love the little cutouts. So cute. Add your favorite jacket. You have an immediate outfit with these 2 pieces. I really like them. The Daze denim straight up eco high-rise jean in black, I'm wearing a $288. The LNA Sky Cotton Tee in black, I'm wearing an extra small, $88 as well. I think we're down to the last item. Final outfit, I have on the cut from the cloth, the camo pant. How fun are these? These are incredibly comfortable. They fit really nicely. They have patch pockets in the back, the side pockets in the front, zip closure. The Pistola, I think I forgot to mention, these were a button front. These are fun. I like that they're not a jogger. They're a nice straighter leg. Dress them up, keep them casual. You could go with a fun combat boot. These are called the Miller High Rise Cargo by Cut from the Cloth. I'm wearing a 2 and they are $109. So, and then I could easily throw the jacket on over top of this outfit as well. So basically this is a cute capsule she created, where I could pack all these items up for a weekend getaway, right? Actually, I picked these items, right? I think I picked these for the preview. All right, so the total for all 6 items, $641.50. If I buy all, 25% off, $160.38, bringing my total down to $481.12. And that's actually for all 6 items. There's 6 here. So, yeah, what do you think? I have to say I didn't love the fit. I love the look. I didn't love the fit of the Pistola. Everything else I thought fit really great. I do have concerns with this one because it seems some of the fur seems to be coming off a little bit just from rubbing, which is probably not normal. And it's kind of boxy. But I think it's a soft, cute layer. So I liked everything else. I'm really enjoying this t-shirt. I'll probably definitely keep that. I thought these camo pants were fun. So, and I thought the sweater, the little sweater tank was awesome. The Daze denim fit well. So you guys let me know. I'll list all of these down below in case you'd like to request any of them in your next fix. I'll put a link to Stitch Fix in case you'd like to give this service a try. They have seriously gotten so much better in the last year. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And if you want to know what I kept, watch those out for the days. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.